MidPointe Library System Middletown branch opened on January 23, 1983. At the time, it was known as the Middletown Public Library. The branch sits south of historic downtown Middletown, Ohio at 125 South Broad Street. Construction of the library began on July 15, 1981 and was made possible by the voters of Middletown who approved a .65 mil library construction levy totaling $4 million in November 1980. Designed by Dayton architectural firm Lorenz & Williams, the library was built to be welcoming and to seamlessly fit within its surroundings. The branch's distinctive sawtooth roof design, unique geometric patterns, and gateway-style entrance draw inspiration from the homes of the South Main Historic District and neighboring churches. The 1983 design featured and opened with a children's department, conference rooms, a large community room, a very extensive stacks with 7-foot-tall shelving, and a vending/smoking lounge. In keeping with the times and the original principle of creating a welcoming environment, the library has continued to adapt to its changing needs and offers a variety of amenities. The 40,000 square feet of floor space offers access to over 64,000 books and materials, 20 computers, 4 self-checkout stations, printing and faxing services, and so much more. Also present is the ever-evolving Innovation Point Middletown, the library's state-of-the-art makerspace. Tools include vinyl printing, a recording booth, a photography station, and more. The branch is also home to the system's local history and genealogy collection, which offers access to historic items, circulating local history material, rotating exhibits, and microfilm of the Middletown Journal and other Middletown newspapers. Behind closed doors, the branch is also home to many support services and staff for the MidPointe Library System. This includes administrative offices for the Chief Executive Officer, Fiscal Officer, Public Service Director, Facilities Director, IT Director, and the Community Engagement Directors. The branch is also home to the library's accounting department, the collection services department, the MidPointe Library Call Center, and a host of community engagement staff.